Hey everyone, this is Jamie with Industra LED, and I'm here today to talk to you about flat panels and our newest ones that came in. I noticed a difference in installation and I just wanted to share that with you. Let's go take a look.
All right, here we are. We have a 50 watt 2x4 panel. This also comes in a 2x2, it's a 40 watt, and a 1x4, that's also a 40 watt. Here you have your drivers under here. This is your AC side, this is your dimmer side, the low voltage side. And before, you had these little buttons, they're still there. There's a button here and a button there. Then you have the holes where you put your solid copper wiring in, right here and here. And they're just kind of a pain in the butt. And what they did was, they added this pigtail with 2 wire nuts on it. And it already has the wire nuts on it for you. So, you know, you just hook it up to your AC.
So that's it. You know, it's feedback from people like you that led to the modification of those pigtails. So please, by all means, keep feedback coming to me. Please submit questions. jaime@industraled.com. jaime@industraled.com. If you have anything out there that you want to discuss LED, by all means, any other questions, I'm available to answer. Thank you for watching, Lighting Crew.